Your pet isn't just making noise. Every bark, meow, and whine carries specific emotional information. We're finally learning to decode it. A dog's bark isn't one sound, it's hundreds. High-pitched, rapid barks signal excitement or anxiety. Low, slow barks indicate threats or warnings. Short, sharp barks mean alert. Long, repetitive barking shows frustration or boredom. Scientists can now identify a dog's emotional state with 80% accuracy just from bark analysis. The pitch tells you arousal level. The rhythm tells you urgency. The duration tells you intensity. Cats are even more nuanced. Purring isn't always contentment. Cats also purr when injured or stressed. It's self-soothing. A cat's meow evolved specifically to manipulate humans. They modulate frequency to match human baby cries, triggering our nurturing response. A short, high-pitched meow is a greeting. A long, drawn-out meow is a demand. Multiple rapid meows mean excitement. And research in 2026 shows cats adjust their vocal patterns based on owner personality. They're literally learning to speak your language. Wild animals have even more sophisticated systems. Elephants use infrasound rumbles at frequencies below human hearing to communicate emotional states across miles. Whale songs have regional dialects that change over time, like human culture. Meerkats have specific alarm calls that not only identify the predator type, eagle versus snake, but also its distance and threat level. They're encoding complex information into sound patterns. New AI technology is revolutionizing our understanding. Machine learning can now analyze pitch, rhythm, duration, and timbre to identify specific emotions. Apps are being developed that translate pet vocalizations in real time. We're on the verge of genuinely understanding what animals are saying, not just what sounds they're making. Your pet has been trying to tell you how they feel all along. The information was always there in the sound. We're just now learning the language. Start listening to the patterns, not just the noise.